Hey guys, so first we're starting off with our concealer in Natural Beige. We're just gonna cover under the eyes. Oh, I love this concealer so much. Just going all under the eyes and some on the cheeks. We're gonna put some on our nose for a nice even skin tone. Put some on our chin. And finally, our forehead. Just gonna make sure everything is nicely covered and even. I love this concealer so much, you guys. Oh, couldn't live without it. Next, we're going in with our oil-free foundation in the shade Light Porcelain. Now what I'm doing is just doing little dots all over my face and then blending them in. You just want to make sure that everything is blended, and oh, it just feels so good on your skin, you guys. If you haven't ordered our oil-free foundation, be sure to go on visionarycosmetics.com. It's $25, as are our other foundations. And our BB creams, you guys. Ooh. Making sure it's all blended into the skin. Oh, it just feels so nice. Just patting it in. Now we're just going to put a little bit of concealer on our eyelids. Now it's time for eyeshadows, and today's look will be using the Sea and Sky palette for $20 off of visionarycosmetics.com. So we're going to be using baby blue as our base, starting off with the left eye. Go in and cover the lid. Now we're going in with ocean blue, and we're going to create a smoky look. Just blending with my fingertips. Now we're going to add the darkest color, which is midnight blue. Creates a really fun smoky look. Just blend it in. Now I'll be taking a brush, which you don't always have to use, but if you want to, I'm just going to put in a pop of white just to make my eyes look a little whiter and add a little more shimmer. This color is called Cloud White. I'm enjoying playing, so I think I'm going to blend just a little bit more with this brush just all over. Again, you don't have to use a brush, but I just wanted to show off the brush. It looks really coming together, you guys. We're going to do everything again on the left eye, or the right eye. Now I've got my eyes confused, but okay. I just love this palette so much. It's really fun using a combination of mattes and shimmery shadows to really get the look popping. Gonna go in with that brush one more time. Add a little white to widen. We're blending with our fingertips now, just to make sure that the look is even. And it's time for setting powder. The setting powder is $17. I started off with a lot, but it blends out, it works. It's really hard to mess this makeup up. You guys, I am not a makeup artist, so just know that I am doing my best, but you guys can create some amazing looks. Hopefully, you're a little impressed with what I can do, but I know you guys can probably do so much better. Next is time for our highlighter, which runs for $15 in the shade Natural. It's a liquid highlight, and you're just going to put little dabs on your cheeks, on the bridge of your nose. You can even put it on your shoulders, where it is like a body glitter. It just makes your cheeks and your nose just pop, and you look healthy and hydrated without looking sticky and sweaty, and I just love it so much. It's a nice pearlescent pink. Ooh, look at the glow. Look at the glow! Doing a little dollop on the nose, just to add one more little pop of color. Now it's time for our setting spray. $9, you guys. What a bargain. Check it out. Now it's time for Lovely, my favorite liquid lip. $12. And we are done with the look, you guys. I hope you enjoyed it. And what do you think? This is the finished look. Again, check us out at visionarycosmetics.com.